Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason you keep getting verification failed on any iPhone that you keep doing this on, whether it's an iPhone 12, 11, 10, it doesn't really matter. This can happen to anybody out there. Now, I will tell you there are a couple of ways to fix this. Now, first of all, if you want to fix this specific error where for whatever you do you keep getting verification failed, you want to ensure that you're connected properly to a cell signal or some type of network connection, aka Wi-Fi. A great way to test this is to swipe down your control center right here and make sure that up here you're connected to either Wi-Fi or cell signal, like that green little line right there. And you want to see that you're connected to a cell signal here too. So this is really the easiest thing out there for many people to do. You don't have to go and do anything crazy, and this tends to be the number one issue that I see for a lot of people. They just maybe aren't connected to a proper cell signal or a network connection. Now, how do you determine whether you are connected to a proper cell signal? Pretty much go on any other, Twitter, go on Safari browser, go on anywhere else. It doesn't really matter. You want to be able to go ahead and open up any of these apps that require any other network connection, and you want to see if you're able to load up anything. If you are able to load up stuff, then you're set for this specific case. If you are not able to load up anything, then you may have already found your problem. You may be able to just go ahead and troubleshoot that specific issue where you're not able to connect to any network connection and pretty much move on from there. So that is pretty much the main way to fix it that I've seen time and time again that ends up causing the most problems. Now, let's say that doesn't end up fixing it. Let's say you're still getting this little verification problem thing. Well, this will probably end up going away in a little bit of time anyway. Believe it or not, sometimes Apple servers tend to be down, and this ends up causing some issues too on your end. So sometimes it's very rare, but sometimes Apple servers may be, temporarily be going through maintenance or different things like that. And I've seen this time and time again as well. So all you can do in this specific case, as I mentioned, in the previous video, is just wait. There's really not much else you can do. You just pretty much have to wait until, Apple fixes their servers on their end. And then essentially a little bit after that, you'll pretty much be able to see that your specific verification failed error that you keep getting will probably end up going away. This has happened to me back in the day about 9 months ago, and it really just went away in a little bit of time. I was trying to activate one of my other iPhones for like my iPhone 7 or 7, 8 video or something like that, I don't remember. And I was running into the same issue, but I basically figured out that Apple servers were down. I found that out using Twitter. So what I'd recommend all of you to do is go in the comment section down below and sort the comments by latest or maybe the highest votes and see if people are, kind of commenting at the same time, like, oh, Instagram servers are down, you can go ahead and, refresh the servers, they need to refresh, whatever. Then that basically will tell you that, for if a lot of people are having these issues, then Apple servers may actually be down at the same time. So that's another really easy thing you can do to actually fix this issue. Now, the final little tiny thing I would recommend doing if your network is connected and you're still having the verification problems is actually updating the software on your iPhone. So in order to do this, what you want to do is you want to go into settings, you want to go into general, you want to click software update, and you want to make sure you're up to date on the latest software that's available. If you're on a super outdated version, this may actually end up, being the problem in and of itself. So you want to update to the, most recent version that you can, and you probably want to go from there and see if that ends up fixing the issue. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.